In this video, we will learn how to calculate a disk free space in PHP. I will use function disk free space. It returns the available space in bytes. So let's see example. If I have a variable drive and I can set its value to the directory I want to check for free space, such as C directory on Windows, and I can print free space MB. We are going to print the space in megabytes on our drive and some formatting, and then I can pass in our drive name, and then I'm going to calculate or convert the free disk space, which is in bytes, to megabytes. I will need over here disk underscore free underscore space function and pass in our drive, and to convert into megabytes I need to divide with this number, which is number of bytes in a megabyte, 104576 104576. So over here we are calculating or getting the free space back in bytes, then converting into megabytes and rounding our result. And over here in this line we are going to print the drive and the free space in megabytes over here. Let's save it and run our script and check the results. Here I need to escape this backslash for C and just save it and execute our program in a browser. You can see it printed the size in megabyte. Over here for C drive is this much free space is left. So this way you can determine or calculate a disk free space in PHP. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.